Copilot in PowerPoint made this from an Excel file in 5 minutes. Looks good, right? But if someone on my team handed me this before a board meeting, I swear I will be Superman. Why? Because it doesn't follow our branding guidelines and the structure is not following what my management is used to. So it's a complete waste of time. Now look at this one. Same data, same tool, but now it has my branding and I can use it straight away in front of the board. So I really save time. The difference? Two things I gave Copilot that 99% of people never think to give. And I will show you and teach you them in this video. I am Nicolas Boucher. I've taught more than 10,000 finance professionals how to use AI for finance. And in this video, you will finally use Copilot in PowerPoint to create a financial presentation the right way. You know that the board needs something that always looks the same because you want to reduce the cognitive load. And for this, the board is expecting to see the same type of slides, but just with new figures and new stories, and maybe the graph that change. And that, until now, AI could not do. But now the good news is that you don't even need a new tool to make this presentation. You have actually everything you need here in PowerPoint thanks to Copilot. So here you see I have my working files with commercial pipeline, with revenue deep dive, with P&L detail, with all of the information I need to prepare my board presentation. But the thing is, I will need half an hour to maybe 1 hour to prepare the slide for each tab. So let's see if Copilot can actually do that for us. Now I will open PowerPoint and look at the bottom right, there is the Copilot icon. Then I will click Allow Editing and I will choose the Claude Opus model, the best one that you have right now. And then I prompt that I am the CFO, I want to build a financial presentation for my next board and I want to do it based on the Excel that we just saw together a bit before. And then I'm going to upload the Excel file. And you can see that Copilot, with the help of Claude, is reviewing the data. And now, because my prompt was not good enough, it's asking me follow-up questions. So what type of board deck I want to have. So here I want to focus on the P&L. Then how detailed it should be. So here I will go with standard. And then the narrative. So here I will choose that I want more like a confident narrative. And you can see at the bottom, you can just type something if you prefer to be a bit more precise about the type of narrative you want to give. So now that I have answered to all of the questions from Copilot, let's see Copilot in action. So usually it will take a few minutes because this work in PowerPoint is quite heavy for Copilot. But imagine we're talking about doing that normally in around 5 to 10 hours. So 1 to 2 days of work. Now here, it's also asking me about the design. And about design, we're going to talk about it later. But because our company is about drinks and Aqua Pure, so I will just go with the Aqua brand. And so Copilot continues to work on it. While Copilot is doing its work, if you want to learn from me live, I have actually a masterclass this Tuesday. So click the link in the description to join me to see live and learn live from me how to use AI for Excel, PowerPoint, and for a lot of finance workflows. This masterclass is for CFOs, fractional CFOs, and finance professionals who want to become AI CFOs. That's it. Copilot is done. And at first, it looks great. I mean, I have the KPIs in the first page already, so I think that's quite smart. I have in a second slide a really good executive summary, also with financial storytelling. I don't know a lot of people in my team that could write something like this. And after we have the P&L detail with some comments on the right side, we also have a waterfall bridge. We also have the detail on revenue. We have the segment performance. It's really, really well made. And I can go back and trace the figures or ask here Copilot to help me trace back the figures to the Excel files. But my point here is imagine how long you will have needed to create this. And now you have 13 perfect, well-designed slides with graphs, with financial storytelling, with also the information really well organized so it's clear for your audience. Having said that, there is always something we need to pay attention with AI because here it generated a presentation, but it doesn't have my branding guidelines. Also, second problem, it doesn't follow the structure that my board is used to see every month. And that's what people tell me, it looks good, but I cannot use it. And if you cannot use it, then it's useless. And that's why in this video, I'm also going to show you how you make sure this follow the structure that your board is used to. And this is what we are going to see at the end of this video. So now let's see how we can ask Copilot in PowerPoint to do also my board presentation with our branding guidelines. So I go back to PowerPoint. I will prompt the same way that I am a CFO. I want to build a financial presentation for the board based on the Excel attached. But this time, I'm going to add something else. I'm going to explain that I'm also adding this PowerPoint that you can see now, which has all of our branding guidelines. It has the color, it has the type of slides we use, how we present graph. And with this, I will instruct Copilot what type of style I want to have in my presentation. And small note, if your company didn't give you that, you can also just upload an example from a previous presentation. That will do the job. So now you can see that I'm explaining that I want the exact branding from this PowerPoint. So I'm attaching the Excel file and the PowerPoint inside. And here you can see that I get the same type of questions. So let's answer the questions. So good, I've answered the questions. I didn't get any new questions about the branding because I already gave Copilot our branding. And so it will take a few minutes. Copilot will work on this. And after a few minutes, let's see the results. That's it. Copilot is done. And finally, we have the same branding guideline. Because remember, in the previous presentation, it gave us like a watery background, which if I show that in my board, they will just look at me and think that I'm not serious. But now here, I have a really professional background, the one of my company. I have also the same type of presentations for graph, and so on and so on. And I already insist here because if you don't follow the way your company works, is useless. And I saw so many people trying AI with presentation and they didn't get there because they get these fancy presentations that look great, but if somebody will see that with colors, they will think like, what the hell is that? So pay attention to that, use the branding guidelines. So now we're almost there. First, we have built the information based on the Excel file. So what I'm presenting here is backed with real information. Second, we have the branding guidelines, but there is something missing. And I have done many of these financial presentations. And one thing you should never do is bring surprise. And so if you come here and you don't follow the structure that everybody is used in the room, well, you will be at a huge risk because even if your information is correct, everybody will yell at you because you made them doubt. You made them think about what is this presentation, they don't understand it. This is why I'm going to show you how to keep the structure from your previous presentations. And like this, your board, your audience, your business partners, when they see your presentations, they feel good, they feel reassured, they know it. So how can I make Copilot do the same presentation, but with March 2026 figures? I'm not going to follow the same strategy. This time, you need to open the last presentation that you want to use as a template, and then directly inside, do the changes. We are going to open the December 2025, and maybe you just save like draft of this or a copy to make sure you don't change anything in the December 2025 presentation because you'll update it with new figures. And now inside, this is what I'm going to prompt for the presentation. So I'm going to ask to update the presentation from December 2025 with March 2026 figures, and then to preserve the exact layout, structure, background color. And this you need to be really detailed. And I encourage everybody screenshot the prompt and to use it for yourself. Once you have this prompt, then I'm going to upload the Excel file with the data of March 2026. And now I ask Copilot to work on this. And after a few minutes, let's see what Copilot is going to do. That's it. It's finished and I'm really reassured it kept the same structure. You can see I have the executive summary with the 4 quadrants where I know my management want to see that first. Then I have the commercial pipeline. You see, for example, with the funnel, this is also really important to keep this. And I also have in appendix all of my data because this was not in the previous presentation that I asked because it doesn't know that I need that. But now it follows the same structure and it has in the appendix the tables that my management want to have as a reference. So now let's make a check to see if Copilot did its work correctly. And as you can see, the gross revenue was updated. We have 23.4 and before for December, there was another amount much lower than this. And I can check also for EBITDA, it's the same amount. I can also check for the cash. Again, I can see the same amount, rounded because if you are in finance, you know that you don't need to show any mini details. It's good to round at the comma for $1 million or €1 million. That's it. This is how you make the presentation of last period with the new figures without losing the branding guidelines and the structure. And I can assure you, you will save so much time. And of course, always, you are responsible of the data. So make a check to make sure that the data here is correct. But again, to do that, tell AI to make the check for you and to document that either in an Excel file or in a PowerPoint presentation. So you can reference and you can make sure that the new presentation created uses the right figures. Make sure you show that to your team. And if you found this valuable, then come next Tuesday in my masterclass. The link is in the description. And subscribe to this channel because I have a lot of other videos on AI for finance. You know that the robots are coming, so stay human.